everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my daily cleaning routine and just like my habits and tips on keeping a clean house on a daily basis. It's not always easy to do, and I struggle with it some days. My house is a wreck too. My house is not always perfect, but I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I do on a daily basis to help to maintain a clean house, so I hope that you enjoy. And if you are new here, I would love to have you subscribed. I make lots of cleaning videos and a variety of other videos as well. Just click that red subscribe button down below and the bell beside of it to get notified every time that I upload a new video. And with all of that said, let's get right into the cleaning.
One of the first things that I do in my daily cleaning routine is to make my bed. It's just a great habit to get into, making your bed first thing in the morning, and believe it or not, it'll actually help your day to go better, and it'll help your day to end better too. It's very relaxing to walk into a clean bedroom and to crawl into a bed that's been made. And sometimes Kyle will help me make my bed by throwing the throw pillows up onto the bed for me so I don't have to bend down and get them. And Owen doesn't really help. He just usually destroys things. As you can see, he usually follows me around every time that I'm cleaning by my feet and just makes a mess behind me as I'm cleaning up. He's just at that age where he's opening up drawers and he's just getting into everything. Once my bed is made and my bedroom's cleaned up, then I will head into the boys' bedrooms to start cleaning them up, and I will just make Kyle's bed for him and then he cleans up his own room. I'm not quite ready to let him make his own bed. It would probably look pretty bad if he made his bed, so I just do it for him. And he's going through a phase where it takes him a long time to clean up anything. I basically have to stand there and tell him, okay, now clean up this and clean up this. It's just really a struggle lately, but I'm trying to just stick with it because it's important for him to learn responsibility. If you establish some sort of daily cleaning routine that works for you, then it's going to be a whole lot easier to keep your house clean on a daily basis. I've come to learn this over the years, that if I just do my quick tidy up throughout the house every morning, it's just a whole lot easier to keep my house clean. But if I let it go for a day or two, then I have this giant mess and I got to do all this cleaning. It takes me all day long. But if I just be consistent with my daily cleaning routine every morning, then it just is a lot easier to keep my house clean. But with two little boys, it can be a struggle to keep my house clean. But obviously, I'm not perfect. My house is not perfect every single day. I have bad days where I don't get the house cleaned up, but I try to do this cleanup that I'm showing you in this video every day throughout the house. It just really, really helps. And next, after I was done cleaning the boys' bedrooms, I cleaned the bathrooms, and all that I had to do in here was wipe down the countertops. And this is something that I've started to do on a daily basis because I used to do it every other day, but then I would end up putting it off, and then it would be I'd clean it every 3 days, and then it was just I had to do this major clean in the bathroom. So if I just grab a Clorox wipe, quickly wipe down the bathroom countertop, then I grab a second Clorox wipe, quickly wipe down the toilet, and then it's super quick and easy, and it's easier to keep the bathroom clean. And there's also nothing on the countertops because after we get ready for the day, after I fix my hair, whatever, me and my husband, we always put whatever we've gotten out of the drawers and the cabinets, we just put it back into the drawers when we're done with it. It's a lot easier to keep the bathroom clean that way. So after I was done in the bathrooms, I moved on to cleaning up the kitchen. Now, the kitchen is one area where I feel like I'm just constantly cleaning. I get it all sparkling clean, and then you give it a few hours and the kitchen is a mess again after you've made supper or lunch or whatever. And so you basically just have to constantly be tidying up in the kitchen throughout the day, and it helps if you clean up as you cook. I'm not perfect. I don't always do that every single time, but I try to clean as I cook, and then that can help your kitchen not to get quite so messy. But I love to have a clean kitchen, so I try to keep it clean as much as I can. After the kitchen was cleaned up, I got my oil diffuser going. I love to diffuse oil in my kitchen after it's cleaned up, and I am diffusing orange essential oil from the brand Simply Earth. And Simply Earth is sponsoring today's video, and I recently became an affiliate with them. I got my first box in the mail the other day, and I got the August subscription box. And Simply Earth sells quality essential oils for an affordable price, and you can sign up for their subscription service where you get a box each month. And this was the August box. I of course got some essential oils. I got 4 different ones, and then I got a candle and some pink Himalayan salt and recipe cards. And basically all that you need to make those recipes is in your box. And then in the big bonus box, there was a ton of stuff in here. There was all different kinds of containers to put your recipes into. You've got like oil roller glass containers, and there was a container of coconut oil in there. Just a ton of stuff that you get in there. And when you subscribe for the first time and you use my code HAPPYHOMEFREE, you will get a big bonus box, an essential oil recipe box, and a $20 gift card that you can use for future purchases. And this gift card will be emailed to you within 24 to 48 hours. And I will also be doing a giveaway for you guys. You will be able to win a subscription box and a big bonus box. And if you want to enter in that giveaway, then when you comment down below, let me know in the comments that you want to be entered in the giveaway. So I moved on to tidying up the living room areas, and this living room area was clean. I actually didn't have to clean in here, but later on throughout the day I'm sure there will be tons of toys in here because the little boys love to drag toys into there. And here you can see my little troublemaker was in the kitchen making a giant mess that I had to clean up, and I would have just let it go. Like if the boys have toys out and stuff, I just let it go until they go to bed because they're just gonna make another mess again. I always make Kyle pick up his toys before he goes to bed, or he goes and plays outside, and Owen was going down for a nap, so I had to pick up his toys. And if you notice here, after I cleaned up that stuff, he crawled back over to the drawer and started to get it all back out again. So I was like, whatever, I just let him do his thing, and I went to picking up his other toys. The last thing that I had to do was to sweep the wood floors, and I try to do this at least once a day because with 2 little boys it gets dirty pretty quickly, and sometimes I'll just wait until they go to bed at night and then I'll sweep the wood floor, because if I do it in the middle of the day then it's probably just going to get dirty again, and I like to wake up to a clean floor in the morning. And after that, the whole house was cleaned up. I hope that you guys enjoy getting to see my daily cleaning routine, and hopefully this motivated you to start a daily cleaning routine if you don't have one already. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you want to be entered in the giveaway, and I will see you in my next video on Wednesday next week. I hope that you have a great weekend. Bye!